And away we go. Today we are headed to the Huron National Forest. I am taking you to the Lumbermen's Monument. It is beautiful this time of year. Fall is in bloom. Let's get the drone up in the sky and see what we can see. So we finally made it. Let's take a look around. Yeah, there's a reason this is a high traffic area. Look at this. Oh, there's a Lumbermen's Monument over there. We're going to go ahead and take a walk down to the river. You know, there's something ridiculously serene about, I would say any state that's in the northern part of the US when it comes to fall. It's gorgeous, it will overwhelm you, and it'll bring you back for more. There's always something so special about fall in Michigan. It has seemed to have come and gone so fast this year. I'm glad I got out and took advantage of it. I suggest you do the same.